Today I'm going to show you how to animate a car video. You can see the car is animating on the road. So let us see how uh, what are the simple steps to follow. First you have to go to the internet, then go search on the Google moving car GIF transparent background. GIF, you can see the GIF, that is the format GIF. Then you can see a search result like this. uh, Especially you have to download transparent car. You can see the background is transparent. So first download it to a desktop. You can see I have downloaded it before, so I am not going to download it again. After that you have to download any kind of background. We think a road background, like cartoon keyword. There is internet problem. I have download background. Here you can see my road background. First you have to go to file, then new, then custom document, then set the width into 1928 into 1080, and the resolution is like this. Then create. After that you have to go to the window tab. There is the workspace. There is the animation tab. Now you can see the animation panel here. Then you have to add the background. The background means the road. You have to add the road background to our krita background. So you have to drag and drop the road background, then click here, insert a new layer. Then you have to resize this image until cover the background, right? Then you have to get another layer here, paint layer 1. To the paint layer we have to add that car. We have pre-downloaded it. Here you can see import animation frames. Click on that, then add images. Then you can see the car I have downloaded here. This is the car you have downloaded. So here you can see there is only one image. We don't need this one image only. We need frames. That means we have to add frames to here. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. There are so many frames. So we are going to add car frames into these frames one by one. So before, we have to do another task, that is the splitting the GIF image. For that we have to go to GIF extractor. So search esgif.com on your internet. Then you will get their site is esgif.com. Then you have an option to upload the downloaded image. Remember, you have downloaded this image in esgif.com website. You have an option to upload the image here. So then upload the image onto it. Then you can see the window like this. Then here you can see the format, output format PNG. Then click on split to frames. Then you can see frames on one by one. Here the problem of internet, you cannot see the frames, but when you're connected to internet, you can see the frames on after clicking split to frames. Then you have to save it on your desktop. I think the desktop is easy. So you are getting like this zip file after download to a PC. Then click on extract here. There I have got before images, not needed them. Yes, this is the car. I click yes. Now you can see there are 4 frames. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That means they have extracted that GIF car into 4 frames. Okay. Then we have to do a major task. We have to save that 4 frames into one folder. I have added folder named car. Right. Another special notice is you have to rename these files as this format: frame1 frame underscore 001.png. Understood? Frame underscore 001.png. Next one, frame underscore 002.png, frame underscore 003.png, like that. If there are 20 images, you have to rename those 20 frames into according to this format. Okay, right. Then we have to go to the Krita software. Then you can remember I have stopped from here. Go to new paint layer, then click on file, then click on import animation frames, then add images, then go to car folder. I have created it. There are 4 frames, you can see now. 1 2 3 4. Select all them, open. Now you can see they are in ascending order: 1 2 3 4. If the frames are not in this format, your frames will jumble. Okay, so please rename these into this according to this format: frame underscore 001 002 003 004, like that. Right. Then see if they are in ascending or descending order. Here you can see the descending order. This is the ascending order. Yes, you have to set this into ascending order. Right after see all settings, you have to click on OK. Then the car displays on your road. That means car will display on your background. Then we have to down this car onto the road. Click on the move button, click on the car, get down on the road, place it. Okay, then go to next. Here you can see next frame, again down and go small, very small space into next. Then you have to go to next frame and get the car and move it further. Again go to the next frame and move the car further. Then you have another task to do. Now this is a empty frame, so you have to click on the fifth frame and right click on the fifth frame and create duplicate frame. Again you have to drag the car further, click on the next frame and create duplicate frame, drag the car small, click on the next frame, create duplicate frame, drag the car further, click on the next frame, create duplicate frame, drag the car little bit, 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 drag the car little bit, create duplicate frame, drag the car little bit, create duplicate frame, drag the car little bit, create duplicate frame. Like that you have to click and create and drag this car little bit. The more frames you are create, the more visible the car moves. That is a huge advantage here. Create duplicate frame, drag the car, create duplicate, drag the car, create duplicate and drag the car, create duplicate and drag the car, create duplicate and drag the car. So likewise you can do any exercise with this format, not only car, any object you can move like this. Right, now the last step is to select these all frames together. For that we use the shift key from your keyboard. First select the first frame, then click the shift key, then select the last frame, then after speed should be 25%. Right, then click on play. You can see the guys go. Likewise you can do any kind of video easily in Krita. I think you all have understood. So if you understood, please put a comment on my channel, and I'm glad to teach this. Please subscribe on my channel. So good luck all.